You probably never knew the seven truths. Our schools never told us about money and how it works in the real world. Hi, my name is Chris, and in this video, we're going to talk about the seven truths we never knew and was not told about. Number one is money is tied to a value. There's a quote about money by Zig Ziglar, and he says that you can get everything in life that you want if you help out other people with what they want, and you'll probably make a lot more money. This quote changed my perspective and my thinking about how to make money. We often believe that the making of money is tied to a job you do or a certain industry you're employed in, and you do a regular 9 to 5. But you can change that if you think outside the box and you look at other avenues that can make you money outside the regular 9 to 5. It's all about how valuable you are and how much value you can provide to others. This realization alone will enable you to make a lot more money than any other traditional way. The more value you can create for other people through whatever you're doing, the greater your potential will become to make more money. This concept is also proved if you look at the most successful people in our world, like the entrepreneurs, artists, or all the rest in the world who are great at providing value by solving problems and fulfilling needs of people on a huge scale. Number two is having your own point of view. Ever since we were kids and went to school, we were taught what to think and follow certain ways and rules, and not taught how to think. And this mindset comes with us when we start our life in a meaningful way, and that mindset naturally comes to our money making habits too, which is not great. This happens because when we enter the market, we think just because other people are doing it for longer periods of time and have more knowledge than us, so we should follow them and do what they're doing. This is where the independent thinking comes, where you think for yourself about making money in a better and faster way. You must get your own point of view on your finances and money. Number three is budgeting is freedom. It's something we were never taught in the schools. Budget is freedom, and it's based on the rule that you track your finances. For example, if you're doing a business and have no idea where the money is coming from and where it's going, chances are the business will not survive for long, let alone for it to grow. Same thing applies to our finances. Always keep track of your money, budget it in such a way that it gives you a freedom to plan for your future, and you can strategize for your financial freedom and growth. Look at your budget as a roadmap to where you want to go in life sustainably. Number four is invest in assets first. Another thing we were never taught in schools was spending and investing your money in assets before liabilities. This concept can be understood in a way that an asset is something that can make you money and a liability is something that will cost you money. For example, a car is a liability because it gets money out of your pocket regularly in the form of maintenance and fuel, whereas a rental property is an asset because it puts money in your pocket while its financial value grows over time, which makes you more money. So in order to make wealth, you need to invest heavily in assets while keeping your liabilities at a minimum. But most of us have it the other way around. Once we get the money, we buy liabilities such as cars or material possessions instead of investing our money into assets like stocks, bonds, and real estates, and make our money work for us instead of having the other way around. Number five, which the schools never taught us, is passion driven career. And it means find what you love because your career is the number one tool for you to make money. Ever since our school days, we were driven to get good grades so that we could make a good career and get a good job, right? But these days, something strange has been happening with the most of us, and it's that we tend to not enjoy our jobs. It's just a means to get the money and spend it on the things we need. So we need to make a career which we enjoy. Number six is how to save money on taxes. Even though we know we have taxes on income, on our income, but we were never taught how to save taxes on our income by legal means. Our jobs are the most taxed, reaching to the level of 45%. Business income is taxed lower and earnings from the investments are lower. So try to diversify your income and pay less taxes. Number 7 is why investing is important. If you invested $1,000 in some stock a year ago and its ROI is 5% a month, you would have an extra $50 a month. That's additional $600 on your $1,000 after a year. So invest your money where you deem fit and make more money. So these were the 7 essential money lessons our schools never taught us, but should have. Thank you for watching. Take care.